In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your screen using GoToMeeting. Whether you're working from home or collaborating with team members worldwide, knowing how to share your screen effectively can greatly enhance your meetings. Let's walk through the process together. To start sharing your screen, you first need to request permission from the meeting host to become a presenter. Reach out to the host, either through a direct message or by asking out loud during the meeting. Once the host designates you as the presenter, you'll notice that the option to share your screen becomes enabled. This step is crucial as only the presenter has the ability to share their screen. With the presenter role activated, direct your attention to the control panel where you'll see the Share Screen button. Clicking on this button will bring up a menu that allows you to choose exactly what you'd like to share. You'll be presented with options to share your entire screen, a specific application, or a particular window. Take a moment to consider what's best to display, whether it's a PowerPoint presentation, a specific document, or your full desktop. Once you've made your selection, go ahead and click the Share button. At this point, you should see a green outline around the window or application you chose to share. This green border is a handy visual cue, reassuring you that your screen is indeed being shared with the meeting participants. It's a good idea to double-check this outline, ensuring that you're sharing the correct window and not accidentally revealing other parts of your desktop you hadn't intended. Remember to engage with your audience as you present. Speak clearly and make sure to narrate the key points you need to convey. As you navigate through your materials, be purposeful with your clicks, highlighting important details in your documents or presentations. By doing so, you'll keep your audience focused and provide them with a smooth and professional experience. When you're ready to stop sharing your screen, returning to the control panel, you'll find the option to cease sharing. Clicking this will end the screen presentation and revert the view back to the regular meeting window. Take a deep breath. You've successfully shared your screen on GoToMeeting. To wrap up, mastering screen sharing with GoToMeeting can seem daunting initially, but with these steps in mind, you can handle virtual presentations confidently. Remember that clear communication is key, and being prepared with the right content enhances your remote collaboration. I hope this tutorial has been helpful, and you're now ready to share screens effectively in your next meeting. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.